20 English kitchen action verbs for daily conversation. Break. Break. To separate into pieces.
Break the eggs into the bowl.
Okay, the eggs are broken. Boil. Boil. To heat a liquid until it reaches its boiling point.
Boil the pasta for 10 minutes.
The water is boiling now. Blend. Blend. To mix ingredients together thoroughly.
Blend the coffee and milk.
I prefer my latte blended well. Chop. Chop. To cut something into smaller, irregular pieces.
Chop the onions for the salsa.
How finely should I chop them? Dip. Dip. To immerse briefly in a liquid or sauce.
Dip the chips in the salsa.
These chips are perfect for dipping. Dice. Dice. To cut something into small, even cubes.
Dice the tomatoes for the salad.
The tomatoes are diced evenly. Drain. Drain. To remove liquid from something.
Drain the pasta in a colander.
The pasta is fully drained. Fry. Fry. To cook in hot oil.
Fry the chicken until it's golden brown.
I'm frying the chicken now. Flip. Flip. To turn something over with a quick motion.
Flip the pancakes when they're golden brown.
I flipped the pancakes perfectly. Grind. Grind. To crush something into small particles or powder.
Grind the coffee beans for espresso.
I prefer freshly ground coffee. Grate. Grate. To shred something into fine pieces using a grater.
Grate the cheese for the lasagna.
The cheese is finely grated. Grill. Grill. To cook food over an open flame or hot surface.
Grill the burgers for 5 minutes per side.
I love the taste of grilled burgers. Stir. Stir. To mix ingredients gently in a circular motion.
Stir the soup to prevent sticking.
I'll keep stirring it gently. Sprinkle. Sprinkle. To scatter small drops or particles on something.
Sprinkle some herbs on the pasta.
I like it when you sprinkle herbs. Squeeze. Squeeze. To apply pressure to extract liquid or juice.
Squeeze the lime for the cocktail.
I prefer drinks with freshly squeezed juice. Spread. Spread. To distribute something evenly over a surface.
Spread the frosting on the cake.
Frosting is spread smoothly. Toast. Toast. To cook or brown something using direct heat.
Toast the bread until it's golden brown.
I like my toast lightly toasted. Taste. Taste. To sample food to determine its flavor.
Taste the soup and adjust the seasoning.
Let me taste it. It's perfect now. Season. Season. To add herbs, spices, or salt to enhance flavor.
Season the soup with herbs and spices.
It's well seasoned. Whisk. Whisk. To beat or stir ingredients rapidly with a whisk.
Whisk the eggs until they're frothy.
The eggs are whisked to perfection.